Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. Today we will discuss the important topic on pointer. What is a pointer? How pointer will going to work in our data structure. Okay. Before discussing pointer concept, first we have to understand some basic concepts regarding variables. Okay. Now consider this one example, that is int aitm is equal to what 5 I have written. So if we declare a variable aitm of type int, aitm is a variable, isn't it? Will actually store value. What value? Pi value. We are assigning a pi value. This value will going to store on variable aitm. On which type? On integer type. On where? On computer's memory. Okay. How will it will going to store the value and address? So int, if you type int, so memory will going to allocate 8 byte or 4 byte. Then type aitm will allocate as a variable name. Then we are assigning pi value, so pi value is going to store. Okay, now aitm is equal to 5 now, isn't it? So each variable apart from value also has its address. Each variable it has and also has the address. Okay, address now I am considering 200. Okay, just for example I am taking, not exactly 200. Okay, now the address can be retrieved by putting address operator before the variable name. Okay, if you want to print this address operator, we just use address operator followed by variable name. What is the variable name here? That is our aitm. So it will going to print which value? Either pi or 200. So it will going to print 200. If you want to print only value, you just print with aitm with the help of printf statement. If you put address operator, address will going to print. If you just print the value, want to print the value, just write aitm in printf statement. Okay. If you print the address of a variable on the screen, the variable address is format specifier followed by address operator, then aitm. Can you guess what is the value will come here? Now I am printing the address of aitm variable. So this is variable, this is a value, and this one is address. So which value will going to print here? Any guess? Yes, exactly, it is 200 will going to print because we are using address operator. Consider the same sentences. Per format specifier is %d. Then here I am not going to use address operator, only I am going to use aitm. What is the output in this statement? So all this is same. This is same. So %d format specifier, then followed by variable name. What is the output? 200? No, it is 5. Value will going to print. If we use address operator, address will going to print. That's it. Okay, or it looks like a random number. Okay, it is understanding concept. Now consider this. This is also reference purpose. Int aitm assign to value 5. Printf value of AITM is %d, then AITM. Printf address of a variable name AITM is %d. Here I am using address operator. So what is the output here? Output will going to print 5 because value we are printing. No, we are not using address operator. So consider this one. This is a variable name AITM and it has the address 200 or 2000, okay, and it has the value 5. Okay, so we are printing the value of AITM. So what is the value of AITM? 5 will going to print. Then here we are printing the address of AITM variable. What is the value going to print? That is 200 will going to print. Value of AITM is 5 and the address of variable name is, this is random number. Okay, for example purpose I have taken 200, but it is a true value which you are getting from computer's memory. Let's see this example on demo. Okay, here we'll execute vcc pt1.c. okay, now check the output. See here, the value of AITM is 5, then the address of a variable AITM is random number is displaying. It is address and this one is value. You just understand from this example, that is what you mean by address of a variable, what is the meaning of value of variable. That's it. Okay, now you understood this. Want to see the program? cat.c. So this is our program. Okay, nothing I have changed, as it is I have executed. Okay, so now come to the point, definition of pointer. What exactly pointer tells? Pointer means pointing, isn't it? Pointing to other devices. Okay, in general I am telling, pointer points to other things. Here in our terminology, it is a variable that stores, or points the address of another variable, pointing to other variable, or stores the address of other variable. And this variable, it may be int, char, array, function, or any other pointer. You can define this in this fashion. So declaration of pointer. Okay, this is syntax. Okay, declaring of a pointer variable. Data type may be int, char, array, float, or function, followed by star operator. It's mandatory, followed by pointer name. Okay, so example, data type I am taking int, followed by what? Star, followed by any name. You can give any name. Here I have given AITM, so it is called pointer. How to identify whether it is pointer or not? Based on this star mark. Okay, now star tells that variable is pointer variable. Now see here in this animation, it is a variable, sorry, it is address, right? Now I am using int, so 8 bytes will going to allocate. Now variable name is what? AITM. Variable name is AITM. If I put star, what will happen? Points, star points, see here, star, we put star points to other variable. So this is a concept of pointer. Now example, int CSE, normal variable we are defining. So CSE variable, int we have defined, so int memory, then followed by variable name, that is CSE. Then it has the, every variable is a memory location, so it is a memory location and it has some address. So address is, I am considering 200. Okay, next variable CSE has the value how much? 5. So 5 will going to store on CSE variable 5. Next I want to define pointer variable. How to define pointer variable? Data type followed by star followed by variable pointer name. So int star, int AITM, it is a normal variable. So see here, normal variable, integer, then followed by AITM. Okay, if I put star here, it will become pointer variable. See here, and it has also an address. It has also an address. So address of pointer variable is how much? 500. Now star represents what here? Pointer variable pointing to other variable, or points to other variable, or stores the address of other variable. Okay, now the next statement I have written here, AITM is a pointer variable. How you identify it is a pointer? Because star or asterisk we are using, isn't it? So AITM assigning the address of another variable. CSE we are assigning to this variable. CSE is a variable, AITM is also variable, but AITM is a special case. What kind of special? It is a pointer variable. Assigning this variable to this variable. What we are assigning? We are assigning address. What address? Address of CSE variable. CSE variable address is what? 200. It has to store on pointer variable, that is AITM. Okay, this is a main concept, please try to understand. So assigning address of other variable, or it points to the other variable address, or it holds the address of another variable. How many variables? 2 variables, AITM and CSE. AITM is a pointer variable, CSE is normal variable. Pointer points to the another variable, or pointer holds the address of another variable. Now what is the value will come here in this space? Pointer points to the other variable, or pointer has the address of, it stores the address of another variable. Address of another variable is what? CSE. Address is how much? 200. What is the job of pointer? Pointer stores the address of another variable. Address is 200. 200 is going to store on this pointer variable. So this is called pointer concept. Okay, now consider this example. Int CSE, assigning the value 10, then pointer variable is AITM. Next concept, we have to assign the address of other variable to pointer variable assigning the address. So print the value of pointer value of pointer, then AITM value. Okay, consider this value of pointer. What is the value? Pointer variable is what? AITM. What is the value? 200, isn't it? It is the address. So AITM value is what? AITM is basically referring to this variable. What is the value of this variable? 10. Then what is the value of this variable? 10. Okay, now value of variable CSC. Value of variable CSC, how much? Value of CSC is how much? 10. We are going to print. Next I am going to print address of a pointer. Address of a pointer is what? AITM is pointing to this variable. This variable has the address. How much? 200. 200. This AITM is pointing to this variable. So 200. This address of a pointer becomes what? 200. Now next statement, address of CSC. Address of CSC, how much? Address of CSC variable, what is the address? 200. So this is our pointer concept. Okay, I hope you understood 20%, I think, isn't it? If you want to understand, just practice this program and you will come to know what exactly pointer. Okay, see, our output is 10, 10, 200, 200. Okay, now initialization of pointer. Same in previous example, whatever we have done, that is called initialization of pointer. First, declare a data variable int a CSC, that is a data variable. Declare a pointer variable int star AITM. Then assign address of data variable to pointer variable using address operator. In here, assigning data variable to pointer variable with the help of address operator. Okay, example, int x, declare a data variable, and next pointer variable, just put a star mark and followed by any name. So pointer variable, then assign address. Assign means assign what? Address means what? You have to use address operator of which variable? Data variable. Data variable means what here? X. Okay, to where? Pointer variable. What is the pointer variable? Pointer variable is what? P. This is called initialization of pointer. Okay, P, address of X. P is equal to address of X. Now not only use int, you can use double, float, char as a pointer. Okay, pointer to an integer if you use int, pointer to double if you use double, pointer to float if you use float as a data type, pointer to character use char. So this is about pointer, and see the example. Value of a pointer is 10, value of CSC is 10, address of a pointer is random number 5724, then address of CSC variable is random number 724. So these two variables address are same because pointer pointing to this address. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.